In front of me is Fairphone 5, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by launching two apps you wish to use in this view in the background. Then access background apps and click on the icon of one of them. Select Split Top and tap on the second one. As you can see now, I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!